Gain knowledge through reading. Rabindranath Taqoure. Rabindranath Taqoure was a legendary Indian poet. He was also a great philosopher, patriot, painter, dramatist, composer, and humanist. People often made use of the word Gurudev with regard to him. Rabindranath Taqoure was born on the 7th of May in 1861 at Calcutta. His early education took place at home by a variety of teachers. Also, through this education, he got knowledge of many subjects. His higher education took place in England. Above all, Rabindranath Taqoure began writing poems from a very young age. The best collection of poetry of Rabindranath Taqoure is Gitanjali. Most noteworthy, Rabindranath Taqoure received the Nobel Prize in 1913 for Gitanjali. Furthermore, his other important poetry works are Manasi, Sonatori, and Balaka. The popular name in usage is Rabindra Sangeet, which refers to Tagore's songs. His songs certainly reflect Indian culture. His famous song Amar Sonar Bangla is the national anthem of Bangladesh. Above all, he wrote the national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. Rabindranath Taqoure also had excellent skills in drawing and painting. Probably, Rabindranath Taqoure was red-green color blind. Due to this, his artworks contain strange color themes. Rabindranath Taqoure was active in politics too. Rabindranath was a patriotic Indian. He was certainly a man of many talents. His contribution to literature, arts, music, and politics is brilliant. Rabindranath Taqoure was popularly known as Gurudev, Kobi Guru, and Bishwakobi by the people of India. He was a multi-talented personality and well known for his noteworthy contribution to the field of literature, art, politics, and music. Rabindranath Taqoure breathed his last on 7th August 1941 at his ancestral residence in Jorasanko. Let's find some meanings. Philosopher, patriot, dramatist, humanist. Philosopher, someone who studies or writes about the meaning of life. Patriot, a person who loves their country and if necessary will fight for it. Dramatist, a person who writes plays. Humanist, an advocate or follower of the principles of humanism. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.